Imagine being able to rearrange atoms the way a child rearranges Lego bricks, except instead of building castles and cars, you're building new materials, medicines, and machines smaller than a speck of dust. Sounds like sci fi, right? Well, welcome to the nano revolution, where science fiction quietly turned into science reality. Nanotechnology works on the scale of 1 to 100 nanometers. That's about 80,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair. It's like taking something invisible to the naked eye and making it do visible magic. Back in 1959, Nobel laureate Richard Feynman said, "There's plenty of room at the bottom." At the time, people thought he was daydreaming, but today, that dream is the blueprint for how we manipulate matter, atom by atom, to build the future. We are literally standing at the doorway of a revolution that could reshape how we live, heal, travel, and even think. Let's start with materials, the unsung heroes of modern civilization. Nanotech is making smart materials, stuff that doesn't just exist but respond, repair, and adapt. Carbon nanotubes and graphenes are like the superheroes of the material world, ultra strong, feather light, and ridiculously versatile. They're already being used in aerospace, construction, and even sports equipment. Imagine planes that are stronger yet lighter, or bridges that heal their own cracks. Yes, self healing materials are real now. Nature heals wounds, now our materials can too. And nano coatings, they're like invisible armor, fighting bacteria in hospitals, preventing corrosion in machines, and even saving energies by managing heat better. Basically, we're giving dumb materials a PhD. We've hit a wall with traditional silicon chips. They're like marathon runners who've reached the finish line, panting and out of breath. Nanotechnology, however, opens new lanes. We're talking neuromorphic chips that mimics how our brain thinks, quantum dots that unlocks quantum computing, and photonic circuits that use light instead of electricity. This means computers thousands of times faster than today's supercomputers, yet sipping power like the energy efficient bulb. In short, more brain, less burn. Where it gets exciting and a bit futuristic. Imagine tiny nanorobots, sometimes called pharmacites, cruising through your bloodstream like microscopic ambulances, delivering drugs directly to cancer cells. No more carpet bombing your entire body with chemotherapy. This is precision healing. They can detect diseases before symptoms even appear and even enhance oxygen delivery to boost your immune system. It's medicine that not just reactive but proactive, catching illness before it knocks on your door. The future of healthcare isn't in hospitals, it's in your bloodstream. Now let's look upwards, literally. Nanotechnology is transforming how we explore space. Materials made from carbon nanotubes can absorb 99.96% of stray light, giving telescopes unprecedented clarity. Nanocomposites make spacecraft lighter, saving fuel and allowing us to carry more instruments. And nanocoatings provide astronauts from cosmic radiations. In short, we're building smarter, stronger, and safer spaceships, one atom at a time. Nanotechnology isn't just about cool gadgets, it's about survival. From solar cells that trap more sunlight to nanofilters that turn polluted water into drinking water. These tiny technologies are solving some of the biggest global problems. They're directly aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, tackling water scarcity, pollution, and energy efficiency. Tiny tech, massive impact. Of course, every revolution comes with hurdles. We still need to understand how nanomaterials interact with living systems over time. Controlling nanobots in the body is like trying to steer a drone inside a hurricane at the microscopic level. And ethically, we must ensure nanotech doesn't become a luxury for the rich or a privacy nightmare for the rest. This calls for global collaboration and transparent research, because a nano frontier belongs to all humanity. Nanotechnology is already reshaping industry, healthcare, and electronics, but the real magic begins when it merges with AI and molecular assembly. We'll be able to design and build things from atom by atom intelligently and efficiently. The line between biology and technology will blur, and we might just redefine what it means to be human. So here's the big thought to leave you with. The question is no longer, will nanotechnology change our world? It's how fast and how profoundly will we let it. The future is being built one atom at a time, and that, my friend, is the true power of the small.